Dwi mor excited, gyffroes, achos dyma'r tro cynta I fi is the first time I've got you all to myself. Because Johan's had you sneaky, he's had you for 2 whole lessons. Felly, prynhawn yma, dwi efo chi, a ar ôl cysgu heno, bore fori yn y bore, bydda I efo chi. Iawn? So, ydy pawb yn hapus?
Hapus iawn.
Hapus iawn.
A wedi blin o blaen.
I ddechrau. Just hapus. Just kind of bodlon. Bodlon. Yeah, just bodlon. Just content. Bodlon. Bodlon's a good place to be. Bodlon.
Bodrum is a good place.
Bodrum. Ti'n iawn? Dwi wedi dawnsio ar y bar yn Bodrum hefyd. Felly, 2 gwestiwn. Sut oedd y crancod? Yeah? I meant crancod, yeah.
Crancod.
I know. Dwi'n gallu arogli chi. I can smell you.
Jenna.
Maen nhw yn drawi yn dydyn.
2 drawi jobs.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
What are they trying to say to you?
Jobs.
Ac mae'n rhaid I fi ddweud, I have to say, not that I'm comparing, ond oedd y tîm gweini, the waiters and waitresses, Team Caffi, yn hollol ardderchog. They were ar dan, anhygol. Ar dan, oedd yn hynny.
5 a chel!
Reite, iawn. Sut dyn ni'n dweud? How do we say good afternoon? So we can either say prynhawnda, or we can just shorten it to pnawnda. How do we say good morning?
Bore da.
Bore da. How do you say good evening?
Noda.
Yeah, so we've got
That's good night, isn't it?
So noswaith, that is good evening at the beginning of the evening. And nos da, just cyn mynd I gysgu.
Yeah.
Yeah? So fel, nos da.
Ta-da.
Yeah? So like that. Sut dyn ni'n gofyn y question? How do we ask the question? How are you? How are you? Sut wyt ti neu sut ydych chi? Da iawn. So
Politeness.
Or, okay, so we can either say da chi neu, or you can say should I chi. Let me just see. South Walian, North Walian, South Walian. So should I chi, should I chi.
For south.
South should I chi. Should I chi. Right, so we've got tea, if you know them well, or if it's one person. If you know them well, if they're younger than you, or if it's one person, we use tea. If you're talking to a group of people, you use chi. Chi, okay? So, should I chi neu sud a chi? Yn y gogledd, North Wales, sud a chi? Yn y de, should I chi? Should I chi? Yeah? Ardderchog. And then, very well, thank you. Yeah, so we've got iawn, diolch is okay, thanks, fine, thanks. Very well, thank you. Da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, diolch. Reit te, felly, ffeils ar y llawr.
I don't know where my fail is.
Codwch.
Well, I'll pick someone else's app. Who is Brychan ap Llywach?
Brychan ap Llywarch ydy...
Is that you?
Ti. Yeah, a mae ffeil...
Oh, I bet you picked the wrong bags
Yeah,
up.
ych chi wedi wneud switch.
Diolch
A mae'n ti yn y tŷ. Mae gen I yn sbar.
Files down.
Ffeils ar y llawr.
Ffeils ar y llawr, a codwch ar eich traed. Ar eich traed. Right. Felly, mae'n bwysig I gael codi'r egni. Dechrau'r wers gyda can. Start the lesson with a little sing-song, iawn? Felly, yn syml iawn, very easy, iawn? Da ni'n mynd fel hyn.
Mae Nefel a not aisteddwch.
Nefel, ti eisiau gorffen dy siocled poeth gynta?
Dim siocled boeth a canu'r neis.
Ti wedi gorffen, oce. Dawnio'r siocled poeth, a wedyn just, sim rhaid I ti ganu, just say the words, do the actions, as you please.
I love him for sitting down.
Right, felly, 1, 2, 3, da ni'n mynd fel hyn. Bore da.
Bore da.
Sut wyt ti?
Does it matter what hands?
No. Usually shake it right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, llawdd fe. Da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, diolch. Ardderchog. So we go like this, iawn? Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Okay, so we start off fel hyn, bore da, sut wyt ti, twice, iawn, twice. Da iawn, diolch, and then we go back over here. Sut wyt ti? Because it's polite to ask back, isn't it? I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
And like H, when he said, here's your dinner and bye.
Here's your dinner, bye. Hello. Can I have a tip? And you're tasty. Right.
But you said you're
Hapus? Felly, we're going to start off yn y bore. It's morning, iawn? So dan ni'n deud bore, o'r gore? Felly, 1, 2.
Betaya.
Come on, Nev, you know you want to.
Beth bynnag, right, 1, 2, 3. Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Right.
The last one, should it be sidachi?
Oh, you can either do. Let's stick to the T version for now, okay? T version, because you're friends. Chos bo chi'n ffrindiau. Right. Felly, da ni'n mynd I minglo a da ni'n mynd I ysgwyd llaw gyda partner, iawn? Gyda partner. Ysgwyd. Ysgwyd llaw gyda partner, iawn? So we go like this, we gwyneb i'ch partner, and you say, bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Hapus?
iawn.
Hawdd pawb, ardderchog, ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3, partner. Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Hwyl fawr, and on to the next person. Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Da iawn, a'r person nesa. Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti.
Hapus. Turns you doing the comedy.
Ag eto. Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Right, 1, 2, oh, nawr, mae'n brynhawn, it's the afternoon. 1, 2, 3, pnawn da, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Da iawn, ac mae hi'n, it's the evening, mae hi'n noswaith dda. 1, 2, 3. Noswaith dda, sut wyt ti, da iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti. Ardderchog, o'r gore, ac eisteddwch. And take a view. Dyna ti yn sbar. Dim pros. Sgysodwch fi.
Pan sy'n bumper?
Just mynd I. Sut wyt ti. Mae'n catchy, yndi? Okay. Oh, sorry, John. Sorry. Right. Iawn. Mae hi'n amser I droi at ein ffeiliau. Mae'n amser I droi at ein ffeiliau. Felly, agorwch y ffeil. Agorwch y ffeil. Agorwch y ffeil. A dyn ni'n mynd I ddarllen
Manawydion.
Manawydan. A'r cnocio
Melltigedig.
It's a great word, isn't it? Melltigedig. Chwedl ydi fel stori, a tale, yeah? Neu legend. Pen llun, the Llun Peninsula. Pen llun. Ble dyn ni? Where we are? No.
Not by Ben Llyn.
Oh, Ben Llyn. Oh, by Ben
With all
Llyn.
the pagans.
That would work though, wouldn't it?
People would believe me.
Yes, exactly. O'r garau.
I'd be surprised.
Iawn.
Felly.
Bydda i'n darllen gynta, first, bob llinell, a dych chi yn adrodd ar yn ôl i, after me, iawn? So, fi gynta, so, Manawydan a'r cnocio melltigedig.
Melltigedig.
Da iawn. Give me a good melltigedig. Da iawn. Reit, oes rhywun yn gwybod beth ydy thunder and lightning? Oh, hang on.
Dramâu.
Oh, mellt. Oh, that was very sexy. Eto.
She's a sexy weather girl,
Mae
isn't she?
Mae, ti'n iawn. Eto, thunder and lightning?
Mellt.
But in Welsh, you say lightning and thunder. You don't say thunder. So mellt is lightning.
Dramâu sounds like thunder.
Thunder, yn union. Yeah, so mellt, lightning, melltigedig, cursed, yeah, so lightning strikes. Un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Pawb?
Un tro, amser maith yn ôl.
Da iawn. Dych chi'n cofio'r game? Remember the game we used to play? I went to market and I bought yes, i'r farchnad a prynes i, and I bought a loaf of bread. And I went to the market and I bought a loaf of bread and oren. I went to the market and bought bara, oren, a llaeth. I went to market and I bought bara, oren, llaeth, tatws, and so on, whatever you bought. Right, we're going to do the same with story, because achos I've heard a lot of people say wedi blino. So falle byddwch chi'n cael snooze bach cyn heno. You might have a little snooze. So a little bedtime story, okay? We can do a little bedtime story for each other, iawn? No. It doesn't happen in every lesson, you know. Right, felly. Neville, what do you think I got in here?
Do you want me to tell you?
Is this my body bag? Right te, stori nos da iawn. Un tro, once upon a time, un tro. Amser maith yn ôl, iawn. Yeah, amser. So ddim play amser, time, yeah. So un tro, once upon a time, un tro. Amser. A long time ago.
Amser in tro.
Yeah, it's tro literally means like a turn in a cycle of time, in a turn of time.
So maith long.
Maith is long, yeah, long. Not as in here, that's that kind of long, but maith as in a long time, you know, something that's immeasurable.
Duration.
Yeah, exactly. So, un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na, what does roedd na mean?
Oh, it means, we know this.
It's a really handy one. Da iawn. There was. Neu there were, da iawn. There was a something. O'r enw. Beth ydi o'r enw? Called, da iawn, literally. So enw means name. Literally, of the name, iawn. So, there was a young boy called John, neu beth bynnag, iawn. So, un tro, was the young boy called John. Amser maith yn ôl. Right, felly, pwy sydd eisiau dechrau? Who wants to start, iawn? So, whoever starts, maen nhw'n dod yma, maen nhw'n dewis, na I ddechrau, I'll start I ddangos I chi iawn. Maen nhw'n dewis rhywbeth, iawn. Teddy. Iawn. Dwi'n iawn yn fama? Dwi'n iawn? Okay. Un tro. Amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na Tedi o'r enw...
Nia.
Nia. Iawn, Nia. Roedd na Tedi o'r enw Nia. Iawn.
Say the E and W again.
Enw.
Enw.
Enw. Enw. I'm going to do the alphabet in a minute because Welsh is phonetic. So once you know the alphabet, you can read any word in the whole wide Welsh world. Oh, how exciting. Iawn, o'r enw. O'r enw Nia. Great. Right, pwy sy'n eisiau mynd nesa?
Mochen.
O, mochen. Da iawn. Ie.
Okay. Intro amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na mochen
O, ie, da iawn.
o'r enw Percy.
Percy. O, iawn. Ti da Percy yma? Ardderchog. So, don't worry about this, but I'm just going to throw it in, iawn. Roedd na, gwrandewch. Roedd na Dedi. Roedd na Dedi. Roedd na fochyn. It's just like it just affects a little change afterwards. But we don't. They're called mutations. What happens is the language has sort of evolved a bit, so we change the first letter sometimes because it makes it easier for us to say. And that's how it sort of originated. On roedd na mochyn, roedd na fochyn. We know what you're talking about. Ardderchog. Roedd na fochyn pink. Yeah. Da iawn.
What you just say pink is in pink.
Pink is pink. Yeah. Pink with a C. Yeah. Pink. Right. Pwy sy'n nesa? Benas.
Intro, amser, maith yn ôl. Roedd na Winnie.
Yeah. So is he's a bear? Bear. Good word. Everybody go like this. Arth. Arth. Yeah, so you're almost making an R sign with your arth. Yeah, great. So
Roedd na arth. O'r enw Winnie.
Winnie. Oh, na fo, croeso Winnie. Croeso, iawn.
Are we meant to be saying that you found the teddy, the pig and the bear?
Yeah.
Not just one?
In a minute.
Oh, I
We'll work up to that.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Da iawn.
Oh.
O, beth ydi hwnna? Ti'n gwybod? Turtle, right. Chi'n gwybod beth ydi hwnna? Crwban.
Amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na crwban o'r enw Tommy.
Tommy? Yeah, perfect. Lovely. Da iawn. Good bedtime story voice, oes? Ardderchog. Roedd na grwban o'r enw Tommy. Ardderchog. Right then. Hapus, how do we say once upon a time? Everybody? Intro. A long time ago. Everybody?
Amser maith yn ôl.
Da iawn, once again. Once upon a time?
Intro. Amser maith yn ôl.
There was
Roedd na
a teddy called Nia.
Teddy. Roedd na Teddy o'r enw Nia.
Nia, da iawn. Once upon a time,
Intro. Amser maith yn ôl.
there was a pig.
Roedd na mochen pink
Da iawn. Pink.
o'r enw
Percy.
Percy. Da iawn, right? Once upon a time.
Intro.
Amser maith
Maith yn ôl. Roedd na
Da iawn. O'r enw Winnie. Da iawn.
Intro. Amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na...
Grwban.
Grwban, da iawn, o'r enw...
Gordon.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Grwban, sy'n licio gin. Gwyliwch o, falus. Iawn. Nesa?
Un tro, amser maith yn ôl.
There was?
Roedd na...
Teddy neu arth, ia?
O'r enw...
Dave, da iawn.
Un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na...
Very good. O'r enw?
Tiger.
Timmy, da iawn.
Un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na... Bwni pink.
Ie.
Enw
Neville! Neville, da iawn.
un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na... Princess. Oh,
Tywysoges. Everybody tywysoges. Tywysoges. Iawn, reit. Tywysoges.
Un tro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na... Mochyn.
Frankenstein. Ardderchog. Reit. Gyda'ch partner, iawn, dwi eisiau chi wneud hynny am yn ail, right? Every other, and you have to remember, rhaid i chi gofio, hwn. Yeah? So we start each one with the intro, amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na Dedi o'r enw Nia. Hapus?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Names on the board for me.
What's that? About the names? No, that's the game. Doesn't matter about the Welsh,
Just a
concentrate on the
question.
names.
Come on, we can do this now.
Ardderchog, iawn gyda'ch partner, da iawn.
Intro amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na Teddy, o'r amser... Nia.
Was it?
Nia.
Tro amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na mochyn
Naw.
o'r enw.
Nia.
Nia.
Maith yn ôl.
Un tro, amser maith.
Is it Roedd Ann?
Yn ôl.
What's that? Is that a pig?
Roedd na.
Roedd naw mochyn.
Mochyn pink.
Mochyn bink. O'r enw Percy.
O'r enw Percy. Un tro amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na... Was it a crwban? O'r enw... Was it Gordon? Crwban o'r enw Gordon.
Un tro, amser
Winnie.
Can't keep up with them, they remember they were just behind them. Okay, so intro amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na arth o'r enw, what the fuck was I, Dave?
Okay. On to amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na tiger. And enw Timmy.
Okay.
Roedd na.
Roedd na tiger. O'r enw Timmy.
Un tro amser maith.
Quingan, pink, or Neville. Neville.
Un tro amser maith yn ôl.
Tiger o enw... George, I do know it.
Cwningen.
Oh, don't tell me. It's Timmy. Yeah.
Amser maith yn ôl. Roedd na
What is that, a dog? What's a dog, Nia?
Ci.
Roedd na ci o'r enw...
Pimpechel! You're happy now, do you? You're happy right now? Hapus bunny.
I'm a happy Tawisogus. So's about me.
Hapus Cawisogus.
Ti'n hapus rwan?
Tawisogus. Yay!
Oh, is it pink? No. Pink?
Yay!
Pink? Hapus.
Give me a princess crown and I'm happy.
You got falsy on today. That's real now, isn't it?
Eyelashes.
Is that real today? There's no sticky ons there?
No.
God, they long.
Yeah, I love. Really good mascara though. I don't know if I'm
Iawn
not
te.
eyelash.
Hapus?
Can't tell, to be honest.
Pa anifail ydy hwn? Pa anifail animal ydy hwn? Ci. Hwn.
Tiger.
Hwn.
Mochyn.
Hwn.
Lawr.
Hwn.
Grwban.
Oh, you don't like that. Crwban. Imagine there's a little grub.
Oh,
Grwban.
Is it turtle? Turtle.
Yeah, turtle.
Grwban. Arth. Mochyn. Teddy. Bunny.
Gwningen, da iawn. Everybody go like this. Gwningen. It's got that kind of...
Yeah, that's it. There's no words.
And we'll know it's funny.
Yeah.
We know that.
Would you like roasted gwningen on your... Ardderchog, iawn te.
What other animals can we learn, Neil?
You like animals?
Yeah.
Cod. Oh, dych chi'n cofio cod?
Fish.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't
I know
remember
you know
that.
what cod is. Penfras.
Herring is pen.
Oh, I thought it was a
Pennog. Da iawn. Pen, head. So it's like a description of it, yeah.
Okay, so what's tortoise?
Heady.
Tortoise. Oh, I see, that's easy, okay.
What's Wiwyn? Wiwyn.
Llew.
Duck-billed platypus. Duck-billed platypus.
Octopus.
What's in your bag, Neil? What other animals in your bag? I want to know.
You really, I was so...
You were one of those kids that distracted the teacher all the way through the list.
Didn't do any
Tell us about the war, sir. I'm going to teach you. Tell us about the war, sir.
O'n i'n neud hynna fath rawes biano fi. Right, fails ar y llawr. Ar eich traed. Byddwch chi'n clywed fi'n deud hynna. You know, there's things that I'll always be saying. Ar eich traed. Yeah. The other one I say a lot is trauma. And it's not anything to do with trauma. It means this time, we're going to do it like this. Trauma. So this, the next trauma for you all, is hyn. Iawn, trauma. Felly.
So.
Coedwigoedd. Mynyddoedd. Ogoddau. Golygfeydd godidog. Iawn, greit. Ardderchog. Eto. Coedwigoedd.
Mynyddoedd.
Golygfeydd Ogoddau. Da iawn. Just symud dipyn bach. Just so never can see. Ardderchog. Iawn. Ardderchog. Reit. Felly, dwi'n deud y gair, iawn, so dwi'n deud coedwigoedd. A dych chi, just do the action. Yeah? So just gwrando ac wneud, right? Coedwigoedd, forests, mynyddoedd, mountains, ogoddau, caves, golygfeydd, godidog. Hapus?
And that means beautiful views, yeah, or something like that?
Yeah.
Stupendous.
Views. Stupendous.
Great. Ogoddau. Mynyddoedd. Coedwigoedd. Mynyddoedd. Ogoddau. Golygfeydd, godidog. Well done. 2, ardderchog. Coedwigoedd. Ogofau. Mynyddoedd. Golygfeydd godidog. Mynyddoedd. Ogofau. Golygfeydd godidog. Coedwigoedd. Ogofau. Ogofau. Gada, da iawn. Coedwigoedd. Mynyddoedd. Ogofau. Coedwigoedd. Ogofau. Golygfeydd godidog. Ogofau. Golygfeydd godidog. Mynyddoedd. Coedwigoedd. Ogofau. Golygfeydd godidog. Da iawn! Right. Bwyacasha! Right te. Tro ma, dwi yn gwneud yr action and you shout the word. Iawn? Dwi'n dweud yr symudiad, dych chi'n dweud y gair. Iawn. Felly.
Ogofau. Mynyddoedd.
Coedwigoedd. Da iawn. So imagine, I'm taking the wig off my head, iawn? Wig, coedwigoedd. Da iawn. Right.
Mynyddoedd. Ogofau.
Golygfeydd godidog.
Ogofau. Mynyddoedd. Coedwigoedd. Ogofau. Golygfeydd godidog. Ogofau. Mynyddoedd.
It's halfway between both.
Coedwigoedd.
Two words.
Da iawn, ardderchog, iawn te. Pwy ydych chi eisiau ddefnyddio? Who should we use?
Dave.
Frankenstein. Oh,
Dive, dive.
okay, right. Felly, tro ma, this time iawn, dych chi yn dal y mochyn, a dych chi yn gwneud yr action and we'll say it. Okay?
Dal, throw.
So dal,
Throw.
catch,
Or catch.
and, oh no, you can't do the action because you've got that in your head. All right, so you shout the word, ti'n dweud y gair, and we'll do the action.
What?
So, ti'n dal, so fel taflu'r mochyn,
Pal.
coedwigoedd,
Oh, okay.
iawn? So,
Ogofau.
Mynyddoedd.
Sic. Golygfeydd
golygfeydd godidog.
I can't even say that.
Godidog.
Golygfeydd godidog.
Yn hyn, trwy mi, golygfeydd godidog.
Golygfeydd godidog. Golygfeydd godidog.
Golygfeydd.
Ogofa.
Ogofau.
Ogofau.
Da iawn,
Very
nice
good.
long vowel.
Ogofau.
Da iawn.
How do you say the M1? Because we haven't done that.
Mynyddoedd.
Mynyddoedd.
Mynyddoedd. da iawn.
Mynyddoedd.
Ogofau.
Golygfeydd godidog.
Da iawn. Speed it up. Yn gyflymach.
What's that one?
Which one?
Coedwigog.
Perfect. Ogofau.
Golygfeydd godidog.
Nesa.
Golygfeydd godidog.
Nesa. Okay, it's boiling hot mochyn. Quick, it's like a hot potato. Monkey boy. Mochyn boy.
Coedwigodd.
Ogofau.
Mynyddoedd.
Ogofau.
Mynyddoedd.
Coedwigodd.
Ardderchog. Un arall, one more.
I'll just say that one.
Yeah. Ogofau.
Ogofau.
Rai.
Ardderchog, da iawn, ac eisteddwch, ac eisteddwch. Ardderchog. Ydy pawb yn iawn? Siwr yn moist? Dach chi eisiau dŵr? Neu dach chi'n iawn? Dŵr?
Mynydd oedd.
Pipi brec ti bach wrth gwrs. Sit down, Bren. Just gofalus. Gofalus y microphone, yeah. Yeah, but just do microphone. Oh, yeah.
It's not good, is it?
Don't pull down. Pwy oedd eisiau dŵr? Iawn, just 2 minutes.
No, that's it.
Pwy oedd eisiau dŵr? Ti eisiau dŵr? Na? Ti eisiau dŵr? Who was it?
Yeah, it's funny they were saying that. I've been quite out the window.
Oh, the French show. Yeah.
Getting
good.
mixed
It's
scrambled.
done French in school, but it's like your brain's looking for a second language and it finds stuff you don't even know it's there, isn't it?
Mynyddoedd. Mynyddoedd.
It's funny, I did this course in Italian to train as a suggestopedic tutor. So we were doing Italian in the morning, full on, and I was Francesca and I was a poeta. With you it's difficult, we're not really sticking to the names because people at home know you as who you are and we kind of want that as well. So, but normally I would never call you John and Sian, it would be, you know, Eirian and Myfanwy, yeah. Heddap David.
Gwreiddiol.
An union. And what happens during a course, you build on your character. So I was like, I chose the name Francesca, and like my job was a poeta. So I was a poet, and then gradually build on your character. So like I spend my days on the beach with handsome men writing poetry about the sea, and you know, just kind of go into this fantasy. So why was I saying that? Oh yeah, so it was really interesting. We were doing the course, the Italian course in the morning, and then in the afternoon, we'd analyse the process that we went through in the morning. Like, so why would you want to do like throw a teddy? Or so this is why. This is the science behind it. So we'd kind of like why we were doing all the activities. And then it was bizarre. It was only like a 2-week course. We were just having Italian in the morning, and it's the only Italian I've ever done. And I met this Italian bloke, and I just sort of said huge chunk. I just started singing the song. I was like, what does this song mean? And I was like, sono sola, 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 dove sei un amico mio, es un giorno tanto bello, e me siamo separati. And he was like, that is so random. I was like, I didn't even know I knew it. But it was on that course. It was like one of the first songs we sang. And I don't really remember what it meant.
It just came out.
But it just came out. And it's that whole thing of like, ooh, ooh, that was hidden in there somewhere.
So do you speak Italian now?
No, I did a 2-week course, but we were literally doing 2 hours in the morning, and the rest was theory about how we did it, how to deliver the course.
Do you speak any other language?
Speak Spanish
Because your remedies are the same.
and bit Turkish.
I don't know, sometimes because then I wouldn't have to spend so long to get ready. I could just sleep and then just wake up, shower, done.
It is amazing, isn't it? Bocadillo.
Kind of a light one,
Yeah,
a heavy one,
And
a
I lived in
medium
Turkey
one.
for years, so
What mood
I
you in?
understand
Falling in you.
Turkish, but I can't really.
Zero energy.
Yeah, 0%. But
How
much longer do you think?
45 minutes left.
Oh, great.
It's a long time, 15
Oh,
minutes.
no, but I thought it was another hour and a half. That's what I was thinking. Oh, great. Who's doing their interview?
Suzanne's doing some.
Oh, she's quiet when she comes in.
She's like a mouse.
Oh, yeah, but
Suzanne, look, you're like a
being
mouse.
quiet when you come in will obviously.
What's everybody saying about you?
Yeah.
I said you're like
You've got to do an interview.
Don't make any noise.
You have as well.
How are you?
Am I quiet?
Oh, you got to do a behind the scenes one.
I'm like.
You have. Seriously.
What were you doing yesterday?
Who, with you?
No, I'm not doing it.
In your room.
You've got to do
You
it.
don't do anything.
I do. It's all here.
What do you do? Don't drink, don't smoke. What do you do? Thinking. Up here
I
for
have to hear
thinking.
it.
I don't think you've
Down there for
Hear it, hear it.
If you win this, it'll be so funny if you are the winner, won't it? If Neville is the one that's fluent. I think so.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, got it. Right.
I'm just fluent.
Oh,
Isn't it? It's about who's got the most.
Is that 4 o'clock already?
So tired, I can't
Yeah, I think that's what put in the most effort. I think it is. All the clocks are on.
No, dim
Yeah,
iawn.
oh, it's now, is that? Yeah.
It's not time to
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it's 4
Yeah,
o'clock.
it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's 4 o'clock now.
Oh, it's just gone so quick.
It's 4:15 actually.
It's, do you know what?
No, it's
Time has flown. We're having so much fun.
Di ddim yn 4
4
o'clock.
o'clock, isn't it? Fion!
Barcelona, it's 4:15.
There we go.
We love you here, it's just we're really tired. Sorry.
Can't wait to get out. I don't care whether you like being here or not.
She could be evil.
Sleep after food and then came to a lesson, we would be more efficient.
Oh, not just
We're just sitting here thinking
Just a
sleep.
big potato. It's putting me to sleep.
Carb over.
Tatws. Tatws fawr.
But hey, let's look on the bright side. We're all here ac yn hapus ac yn llon yn wide awake. Right.
Well,
Wide awake. Iawn. Less is more. Less is more, right?
This is part of the stuff anyway to get into our subconscious, isn't it?
Yn union, you need to be tired. It's good. O'r gorau. Lleiaf. Mwyaf.
Mwyaf.
Lleiaf.
Lleiaf.
Mwyaf. Lleiaf. Mwyaf. Lleiaf. Mwyaf.
Tiny and big.
Lleiaf. Mwyaf. Okay. So what's great about these words, iawn? Lleiaf.
Strings of ligament of cats on the leg.
Absolutely.
They squish it
I
out.
think it means.
Smallest, biggest. Not just.
They've got my legs all over. Probably my ass.
Yeah.
I'm taking it last bit, don't worry.
Smallest of the
Yeah, that's got to be
Yeah.
Which I don't can't be able to walk.
Really?
Yeah? Lleiaf. Mwyaf. Mwyaf. Lleiaf. Mwyaf. Yeah? So, lleiaf can be smallest or the least something or other, yeah? The least interesting. The least. Am I the least
Do you know, every
interesting?
time I yawn, the
Or
camera is on me.
Am I the most
I just got my
boring?
on camera.
Biggest neu most? Mwyaf, iawn? Lleiaf, mwyaf.
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 Lleiaf.
Mwyaf. Okay. I'm going to pull... Dwi'n mynd I dynnu 2 beth allan o'r bag, iawn? A dwi'n mynd I godi... So fel hyn, iawn? Fel hyn. Dwi'n mynd I wneud fel hyn, right? A wedyn, dwi'n dweud... And you shout... Lleiaf.
I don't want to.
So I've held one up, and you decide whether it's the lleiaf,
Lleiaf.
or the mwyaf.
Don't you know?
Iawn? Lleiaf or mwyaf. Yeah. You've got so tired, you don't even know which is the biggest. Okay. Right.
Mwyaf.
Mwyaf.
Mwyaf. Kind of.
Height or weight?
God. Who's dressing up boxes this?
Nightlife.
I can't leave.
The biggest out of the 2 items.
Yeah.
No, it's the same, really.
No,
Or mwyaf.
Okay. I don't know.
Hang on, they're all about the same size. Okay. Lleiaf, da iawn.
Mwyaf.
Lleiaf.
Mwyaf.
Mwyaf. Lleiaf.
It's tricky, isn't it?
Oh, kill me now.
Oh.
Mwyaf.
Yeah, oh, I know, yeah.
It's the density of one.
Yeah, I know. Ardderchog. Mwyaf neu lleiaf, right? Most neu least.
Yeah.
Iawn. dwi eisiau i chi cael 2 funud tawel. Iawn? Few quiet moments. Yn edrych trwy sgript, iawn?
Close our eyes.
No.
Lie on the floor.
And I read your bedtime. Un tro amser maith yn ôl ar ddarfod. Right, a dwi eisiau chi edrych trwy'r sgript, just the first few pages of the script, iawn? A dwi eisiau chi ffeindio, find, y geiriau yma, these words, iawn? Oh, hang on. No.
Oh, every time I yawn, the camera is in my gob.
So dangerous. Spelling it.
Love is contagious, yes.
Moethus.
These up in our book.
Yeah, and tell me what the Saesneg is, right? So, dych chi eisiau ffeindio be ydy'r Saesneg?
Byth gofiadwy. I can never remember what that means.
She
got it.
Yeah?
Joke dda, yeah.
Can we do that on camera, please? I'm really proud of that.
So, John, beth ydy hwn?
Byth gofiadwy. I can never remember that one.
Is that a joke? Isn't it
Yeah.
a joke?
Unforgettable.
You're a card, you are.
Iaith.
Cardiau. Dwi'n cardiau.
Byth gofiadwy. What was it again?
Gwreiddiol.
I didn't even notice that was in there.
It's double good.
Jamaican.
Iawn.
I know.
O'r gorau felly, edrychwch trwy eich sgript a nodi lawr beth ydy'r Saesneg. Tell me what the English is, iawn? Ond nawn ni, we'll go through them afterwards. So just, gynnwch chi feiro?
Do you want us to look at these now?
Yeah, edrych ar y sgript. What page is it on? O tudalen, should be from about tudalen 1 up to about where we've done. Maybe a page or two afterwards.
Probably English.
Oh.
Sorry, the man.
Rhannu efo H.
What's chef? Rhannu?
Rhannu. Yeah, rhannu.
Rhannu nef.
About for my banana.
Oh, nice.
This will take hours.
Good dog.
We know that. What does it mean?
4 hours. It means...
My brain's going to go.
We know God's dog. It's beautiful.
Be I'm done right every time I yawn. You are, aren't you? You're literally going to do a story of me yawning. You shit. I knew. Yawning.
In the lesson, just
I've lost count. Seriously. You are going to... you shit.
she's going to now.
So I knew she was, because every time I yawned, she roared down.
Baba hit yawn. Please tell me that's not the most interesting things of the lessons, though.
It's repeated in there somewhere.
Do you know what? This is actually comfy.
Cysgu, that is actually cysgu now. No time.
I love the surf.
It is soft.
I hear.
We'll get this done in a second.
It's got no English in it.
Yw'r.
There's no such word as moethus.
There's no such word.
Are we supposed to be doing something now?
Are we doing it now?
Yes. Edrychwch trwy'r sgript a ffeindio y geiriau
Mae
yma.
llygaid yn wedi blino.
So, do you want us to mark it?
A wedyn, yeah, just neud nodyn, yeah, just make a note, yeah.
I don't give any on the first page.
Go on then. Go on then. You do it.
Oh, is it?
Find it, that's all.
Oh, yeah, it is. Diolch.
Goody dog. Okay, we know goody dog.
Is that stupendous thing, isn't it?
No, I think moethus is shiny or pearly.
Is it pearl? Is it?
Moethus.
Is it pearl or something like that? Or pearls or...
Have we started this page yet?
Oh, go up to tudalen 7, page 7.
Oh.
Tudalen 7.
Moethus, is it pearl? Shiny. Moethus.
Moethus luxurious.
That's the one.
Oh, right.
I knew it was something. Moethus. Luxurious.
Oh, I just look curious. What's close over?
Coch is obviously red.
Yeah.
A pleasure, I guess. Pleaserus. Dramatic.
Could be.
Tuff is dark.
Pleasurous.
No, could be pleasurable.
Serth. I don't know what serth is.
I found Seth. It's on page 6.
Steep.
Steep.
Serth, steep. Pwysig. What's pwysig?
Quite supposed to find it, yeah.
Oh, no, I don't want to do that.
We'll turn the pages up so I can look.
A toivo, I've got it. Oh, what's it mean? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I'm too tired to do that now.
So am I.
Deep or dark?
Which word is it?
Toivo.
Toivo.
Or dark. Caves is
Lugar.
that ogof, isn't it?
Yeah, so it could be deep or dark. Divin will be
What page
deep.
is it on?
Page 6.
6.
Deep or dark caves. It's either deep or dark. Dark, I should think.
Yeah. Dark, is it? Yeah. Dark.
Dovul. No, Tiff, the one next to it is.
Tywyd. Caves.
No, not caves.
Tywyd.
It's dark.
It might be deep.
No, it's dark.
Tywallwch is dark.
I think
yeah.
Duffin is deep.
Duffin is deep.
Duffin.
I just lost the will to live.
Down.
Godi dag, man. The beer can.
That's moch. Keep moch.
Yeah, mochen. Doesn't go the same, does it?
Doesn't go
Beer
the
can
same.
and beer.
Beer can.
Who wants a beer can, man?
Right, so
We'll just say we found them.
We need to enwog, we didn't find.
No.
luxurious.
Well, I think looked at
It is moedas. So I've done
Is that
moedas.
all of it done then?
Didn't find what said.
Pwysig.
No, we know that.
Pwysig, I look for pwysig.
Enwog, we found it, but I forgot what it means.
Tywydd.
Luxurious. So you've
Luxurious.
got to page 8.
Is Tywys is dark. Or enwog, well done.
That's famous, is it?
I think it's most, maybe.
Most
Oh
famous
yes,
or famous?
luxurious
The most.
castle. Castle. Moethus. Yeah, in the book.
Enwog. Na. Enwog.
Famous. Yeah, we don't know which way round it is.
Literally, see, enw or enw, tiger or enw. Enw is name. So enwog is the name. Is
Everyone
out
knows.
there. Yeah, everyone knows. Well known.
Well-known name.
Pwysig.
Full of
Dunno.
names, you
I
know.
haven't found it.
Because we said bwysig, most important.
Ah, yeah. Where did you
It's
see that
Goldie.
one?
No, we did it the other day. Bwysig, didn't we? We did that.
Okay, right te. Beth...
Nawr te.
Nawr te. Beth ydy godidog? Stupendous. Da iawn. Beth ydy coch?
Red.
Iawn. Gwallt coch. Godidog. Moethus. Luxurious. Sounds luxurious, yndydi? Castell moethus. Ac yn y castell moethus, roedd llys moethus. Gwallt moethus.
Isn't it bywyd moethus
As well.
What does that mean? Iawn. Nid yw'n gofyn bywyd moethus.
What does that mean?
Air y byd na'i berau man. And remember, ar ein gorsedd, there were perlau man. Perlau, pearls. Man, bach, man, very small pearls, iawn. So, nid yw'n gofyn bywyd moethus, yeah? Dwi'n gofyn, I'm not asking for a luxurious life. Air y byd na'i berlau man. I'm not asking for air y byd, all the gold in the world, or all the little white pearls in the world. Gofyn wyf am galon hapus. That's all I'm asking for. Calon hapus, a happy heart.
Because I never knew what that meant. And I've always sung it. I know the words, but I don't know what it bloody means.
Calon honest. Honest. Calon lan. Glan, as in clean, but also pure. Calon, heart.
Pure heart.
Yeah.
Not lovely.
Mae'n neis, isn't it? We can sing it at the end of the class. Yeah. At the end of the dosbarth. ardderchog. Iawn, moethus, ardderchog.
You looking forward to that, Ned?
It's going to be a solo.
Edrych ymlaen.
Do you know, on the last day, Neville's going to stand on the chair and sing a solo ar ben ei hun.
Last day I'll be driving home.
Reit, pleserus. Pleasurable. Os ydych chi'n agor y drws i rhywun, a maen nhw'n dweud, o, diolch. Oh, you can say either croeso, welcome, or pleser. Pleasure. Pleserus. Pleserus, yeah. Pleserus.
So that's pleasurable.
Pleasurable.
Pleserus and pleasure.
Lliwgar. Colour. Da iawn, colourful. Da iawn. So lliw, colour. Lliwgar, colourful. Dramatic. Ogofau tywyll yn mynd down and down i lawr ac i lawr
Ac i lawr, ac i lawr.
Ac i lawr, ac i lawr.
Ac i lawr, ac i lawr.
Serth. Mynyddoedd
Steep.
steep. Da iawn ardderchog. Newydd. New. Gwych. Da iawn.
Everything.
Pwysig. Na, pwysig ydy important. It's similar. Popeth is everything. Popeth. Like you said today to Merched Gwers. Popeth yn iawn? Enwog.
Famous.
Da iawn. So, chi'n cofio when we were saying un tro amser maith yn ôl, roedd na fochyn o'r enw, what was the mochyn called?
Nigel.
Percy a Frankenstein. O'r enw, so name. So famous is literally full of name or renown, you know. Yn yr anthem, enwogion o fri. Enwog, famous. Enwogion, famous people. Plural, famous.
I don't know what the national anthem means. Oh, I know all the words, but I don't know what they mean.
You will know by the end of the day.
Yeah. I know that's awful to say, but I don't.
I don't.
Because they teach you it in school.
Neville, ti di canu'r anthem lot o weithiau, do?
I never used to sing it, I had my mind on something else.
Did you?
It's about a daffodil, isn't it? A flower.
Did it give you a in your throat? Did you feel proud playing for your country?
Well, yeah.
So did you never sing along? Just canolbwyntio,
I was thinking
concentrating.
about something else.
But it must have psyched you up, though, yeah?
No, it was a nuisance.
Oh.
Because, right?
That's not a good advert for.
All right? Because you want to go out and go straight into the game.
Yeah, because you're psyched.
And now you have to, if you play against Moldova, some of them have the pants teams, their anthem's about 4 minutes long. And you come to yours, it's 2, that's 6 minutes.
Yeah,
You have to fill in 6 minutes, and you're waiting to start.
But doesn't it fire you up? Like, oh, I'm going to win this game for my country.
Because I'm already on that, I'm already at that level.
Iawn.
So I need to keep her at that level.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to play, I'd just be crying. So you're just like, oh, wow, amazing.
I was a lot of the times, to be fair.
Yeah.
But in school they teach you it, but they don't teach you what it means.
It's a flower, isn't it? It's a flower. No. Daffodil.
Daffodil,
yeah.
cennin pedr. So mae'n siarad out.
What does it mean, man hen wlad fy nadau?
Old land of my fathers, my hen wlad yn hadau. Yn anwyl I mi, is dear to me. Gwlad beirdd bards, land of bards, a chantorion. Canor, yeah, singers. Land of bards and singers, chantorion o fri. Ein gwrol rhyfelwyr. Warriors, iawn, our brave, manly warriors. Gwlad garwyr tramad. Gwlad, do you know what gwlad means? Country. Gwlad garwyr, country lovers or patriots, tramad until they die. Dros ryddid, collasant ei gwaed. I will give you the words. Dros ryddid for freedom, collasant ei gwaed. They lost their blood over freedom. And then, gwlad.
Everybody knows that.
Pleidiol unig gwlad. So gwlad, my country. Pleidiol unig gwlad. I pledge myself to my country. Tramor yn fyr i'r bir hoff bai. So whilst the sea surrounds us, this beautiful country, as long as we're here. while we're here. And the very last line, it's like, o bydded i'r hen iaith barhau, o bydded i'r hen iaith, let the old language live on. Nice, isn't it? It is beautiful.
I realise how badly I've sung it. Because I sang it for my, my intro with, what's his name, and I've mispronounced everything. Except for Gwers.
But when you're actually singing it, it's fine. You can say, my hen laid a haddock. That's what people say, isn't it? It's not quite the same, and yeah. Don't worry, we'll have a good anthem sing-song before the end of the lesson, maybe. Iawn, byth gofiadwy. Byth gofiadwy. Unforgettable. Unforgettable. So remember John never
remember that.
Unforgettable. Ardderchog. Right. So, beth ydi biggest or most? Biggest or most? Mwyaf. Da iawn. Smallest or least? Lleiaf. Da iawn. So you can say, oh, it was the most dramatic play. Iawn. A drama. This way round, so we say mwyaf dramatic. Oh, a drama mwyaf dramatic. Yeah?
So drama mwyaf dramatic.
Yeah. Play most. Yeah, no, this actually follows the same pattern as Saesneg. So mwyaf dramatic. Beth am most famous?
Mwyaf enwog.
Mwyaf enwog. Most pleasurable.
Mwyaf pleserus.
Da iawn. Most luxurious.
Mwyaf moethus.
Most unforgettable.
Mwyaf bwythfiadwy.
Da iawn. Byth gofiadwy. Eto? Byth gofiadwy. Da iawn. Most colourful.
Mwyaf lliwgar.
Da iawn.
Is it lliw or llwyd?
Lliwgar. 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 Least steep. Not that you'd ever say that. Lleiafsedd. You wouldn't really say that. Oh. Least unforgettable. Oh, that's a bit weird. Least colourful.
Lleiaf llwygar.
Lleiaf lliwgar. Oh, it was the least pleasurable.
Pleasurous.
How do you say pleasurous?
Pleserus.
Pleserus.
Iawn. Yn Gymraeg, iawn, every 99.9, oh, dwi'n stiff I gyd. 99.9% of the words have the accent on the last syllable but one, iawn? So, if we take a word like
Cyfryf.
da iawn, cyfri, cyfrif, da iawn.
Cyfrifol.
Da iawn. Cyfrifol, da iawn.
Cyfrifoldeb.
Da iawn.
Cyfrifoldebau.
What are you doing?
Just making
You're just making it up.
No, they're all words.
Are they?
Cyfrifoldebau. So you see, mae eich clistiau chi, without you realising it, your ears are kind of strangely attuned I Gymraeg. Anyway, because you put the accent in the right place without going, oh, I best look for the penultimate syllable and put the accent there. You just do it in naturiol, iawn? But that is the general rule. So if you find a word and you're like, oh, hang on, how do I say it? It's always going to be on the last syllable but one. So pleserus, iawn? Godidog, iawn? So, yes, it doesn't matter what they mean, but that's where the accent goes. So cyfri is to count, and account, responsible, responsibility, responsibilities. Yeah, so they're all different words. But they're all...
So difficult.
No, it's not as crane, isn't it? See how it builds up?
It's like a pyramid.
Fel pyramid. Ardderchog. Reit te. Ffeiliau. Unwaith eto. Right. Ar eich traed, faint o gloch ydi? You are doing very well. You are doing very well. Chwarter ni, okay. God, da chi'n really stryglo. Chi wedi
Serving
blino.
those old biddies took it out of me.
Yeah, you did that with a lot of energy.
I did.
Lot
I've spent now, I've spent.
Ti
Gone.
wedi blino.
Sorry about that.
Okay, let's just do this one last thing, right? Now ni ddarllen gyda'n gilydd. You can eistedd I lawr, okay? Now ni ddarllen gyda'n gilydd y dudalen yma. Then we'll canu un gan, we'll sing one song, ac wedyn gewch chi fynd I gysgu. Come, go and tuck you in. Yeah?
Can I go sleep then and you tell me?
Yeah. Mae gen I pyjamas bach I ti.
Oh, my onesie, and a onesie. Easy.
O'r gorau, reit. Fi ac wedyn chi, iawn? Unwaith eto. Mae na wedan ar cnocio melltigedig. Pawb? Oh, sorry, do. Yeah, sorry, there's no reason why you should. I didn't tell you. Tudalen 6.
O, 6.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Mae na we.
Ar cnocio melltigedig. Okay. So fi ac wedyn chi. Keep one eye ar y ffeil, one eye, un lygad ar y ffeil, un lygad arna fi. Join in with the actions. Yeah? Mae na wedan ar cnocio melltigedig.
Mae na wedan ar cnocio melltigedig.
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 Un tro.
Un tro.
Amser maith yn ôl.
Amser maith yn ôl.
Ymhell, bell o dan y môr.
Ymhell bell o dan y môr.
O dan y môr as opposed to o dan yr ogof, yeah? Dan y môr. Oddi ar Ynys Enlli. Rhyw hanner ffordd rhwng. Lle mae Cymru ac Iwerddon heddiw.
Lle mae Cymru ac Iwerddon heddiw.
Roedd teyrnas o'r enw Maes Heli.
Roedd teyrnas o'r enw'r Maes Heli.
Maes Heli oedd y deyrnas harddaf.
Maes Heli oedd y deyrnas
Harddaf. Da iawn. O holl deyrnasoedd tanfor y byd.
O holl deyrnasoedd tanfor y byd.
Roedd pawb yn meddwl hynny.
Roedd pawb yn meddwl hynny.
Hyd yn oed.
Hyd yn oed.
Trigolion teyrnasoedd eraill.
Trigolion teyrnasoedd eraill.
Roedd pob math o bethau hardd.
Roedd pob math o bethau hardd.
I'w gweld.
I'w gweld.
Y Maes Heli.
Y Maes Heli.
Golygfeydd naturiol godidog.
Golygfeydd naturiol godidog.
Oedd yn cynnwys.
Oedd yn cynnwys.
Coedwigoedd tandwr.
Coedwigoedd tandwr.
A'i canhennau'n sio I symudiad y môr.
A'i canhennau sio symudiad y môr.
Mynyddoedd serth.
Mynyddoedd serth.
Dramatig.
Dramatig.
Yn codi'n ddisymws o wely'r môr.
Yn codi'n
Ddisymws o wely'r môr. Ac o gofau dofn.
Ac o gofau dofn. Tywyll.
Yn arwain I lawr ac I lawr.
Yn arwain a lawr ac I lawr.
I grombil.
I grombil.
Y ddeiar.
Y ddear.
Yn treul.
Reit te. Ydych chi eisiau? No, achos bod chi wedi blino. You are wedych chi wedi blino.
Wedi close.
Wedi blino.
Wedi blino.
Everybody go like this. Wedi blino. Right, you need to be really, just be like me, really common. You have to go, not blino, don't say blino, you say blino. 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 Wedi blino. Wedi blino.
Thank you very much. I could do another hour.
Bring it on in. Right, Gwers. So, dyn ni'n deud. Heno. This is a lullaby iawn. Hen blant bach. Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Dime, 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 hen blant bach. Dime, 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 hen blant bach. It's very bizarre. It just says, heno, tonight. Tonight. Heno. Heno. Ar S4C, Cariad at iaith. Heno.
Llawer o hwyl.
Tonight, love.
Hen blant bach. Hen is old, but it's kind of like meant as a term of endearment. So little children, plant bach, little children, dear, kind of dear little children, like old. But it doesn't mean old in the way. But hen literally on its own means hen. Old. And then dime is byddi dima, you know, like old money. You'd pay, find byddi dima in Saesneg. Dime, yeah, like a dime.
Money.
Yeah, it's just a bit fun. And then money, exactly. And then gwely,
Montage of yawns.
bed, gwely, bed. And then fori, because I will see you, wela I chi, fori, yn y dosbarth, bright and early. I want you bouncing off the walls yn y bore, iawn. Digon o gwsg heno, cysgu yn braf heno, ac wedyn bore fori yn y dosbarth. Fori. Tomorrow. Iawn. A fori. Yn union. Iawn. Barod? 1, 2, 3. Heno, hen blant bach. Heno, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Gwely, hen blant bach. Gwely, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Fori, hen blant bach. Fori, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Eto, heno, hen blant bach.
Are you for real?
Heno, hen blant bach. Dime, lie on the floor for me first, with the teddy. Dime, hen blant bach. Gwely, hen blant bach. Gwely, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Fori, hen blant bach. Fori, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach. Dime, hen blant bach.